Ring-a-ding-a-ling. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
What's up, y'all? It is Vlogmas day 13 and I am back in the motherfucking building, baby. So it is Vlogmas day 13 and I am back. Last video you guys seen from me was actually a current wash day routine. Shit, I missed that pothole. Unfortunately, but fortunately, I am on my way to work. I am on my way to work. Okay. Okay, so I just got to work and I'm not even gonna lie, like I'm tired as shit. So it's about to be a long day. But what I do have is this freaking chai tea latte from Starbucks. So hopefully, well, it ain't gonna give me no energy, but you know, hopefully like it could just bring me some comfort throughout the day. You know, that sort of thing. But we'll see how it goes. I'll holler at y'all maybe on my break. If not, then when I get off.
This sound like Cardi to the stage. This sound like Cardi with the braids. Jermaine the free baby money in the.
Nah, these damn parking lots is full. So what I was saying, yeah, like the parking lots are freaking full. So you know what that means? Like the stores is about to be full of shit. I ain't got time to be standing in no lines because the way my stomach's set up, it's like, bitch. Yeah. Look at this shit though. Like, man, I can't. Okay, so the code word for today is mistletoe, guys. So make sure you go ahead and comment that underneath of Shantae's post, and you have a chance to win the giveaway. What up? So right now I am back where I live. Well, I'm in the vicinity of where I live. I'm not home. But I had my mother call in some Chinese food for me. I got some General Tso. Okay, if y'all know how to pronounce this, and I'm pretty sure by the way that I pronounce it, y'all know what I'm talking about. But the General Tso chicken, how do you pronounce that? If you know how to pronounce that, comment in the comments, because I don't know. It's spelled TSO. I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, I'm getting a General Tso tofu, not chicken. With some vegetables, some mixed vegetables. And I was going to get some rice, but I already got rice at the crib. So I'm not getting no rice today. So I'm just waiting in the car for that. I'm tired of shit. I'm tired and I'm starving. And I really want to take a nap when I get to the house, but I really don't even got the time, to be honest. Every time I've been trying to upload a video, I've been having to delete stuff off of the hard drive on my laptop because it's at the maximum capacity. I do have an external hard drive, so I'm in the process of trying to move everything onto that and just delete from out of my iMovie. iMovie is what's or I hate when I have to move the camera because I feel like somebody's looking at me. But iMovie is basically what's crowding my computer right now. Like, I just got videos on there or whatever. So I'm in the process of trying to export them to move them to the external hard drive and then delete from the computer. But the process of fucking exporting them is the longest fucking process. Like, it's just ridiculous. Ooh, this shit's so goddamn hot. But dang. Can't even wait. We can't even wait. Yo, I'm so goddamn hungry. It don't make no sense for real. No. Come on, sir. I need to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm so... Ooh, I can't wait to eat. I cannot wait to eat. Nigga, starving. Starving. Alright. I see you when I go. So I'm home. Look, don't say, hold on. Wait a minute. I'm home and look who we got. Hi. Hey. Wait a minute. You can't even... Caesar, can you get... Look. I'm trying to get you... Get over here. I'm trying to get you on here. Hey. So now that I have fed myself, I'm just over here about to work on removing this stuff from my hard drive and putting it on to my external hard drive. To here. The elements.
He over there in his bed.
Rainy, what is he doing? I can't see him. Right in.
The bed down.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. I stay trying to sing, can't sing a lick. Can't sing a lick. If you guys have not watched these videos, make sure you go to my channel and watch them. They're all posted already. Make sure you go and do that. So Christmas is like a week and some change away, and I have not even started doing anything. Mercedes. There I come on, me won't go home. Bro, what the? Bro, I be having stuff in my teeth all the time, and y'all don't ever tell me. Like, what's going on? What's up with that? But anywho, so y'all like my lights or not? No, but I'm about to get in the shower right now. I'm about to get in the shower, and bruh, it's my little face and stuff is breaking out. I need to get my life in order. Nah, but I'm about to get in the shower because I need to. And get my ass ready for the work day tomorrow. Oh, ew. I don't even like that. I don't even know why I did that. But yeah, I need to handle that. Alright, y'all, so I just got out the shower and it's about that time to hit y'all with the deuce. It's been a long day for me. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Comment below what's your favorite thing about Christmas. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I thank you guys for tuning in. As always, make sure you come back. Stay tuned because I got some fire coming. I love you guys. Always. See y'all in my next video. Peace.